So you want to auto capitalize in Google Sheets, and here's a situation you might want to do that. If we're writing names here and we get sort of lazy, we are just going to type in Dan and Fred, but we still want that name to be capitalized. I'm going to show you how, because you could sort of do it with a formula. You can say proper A2, and you can see there like, okay, cool, right? I can do it with a formula. I can also do it all at once with a formula, with ArrayFormula, so A2 colon A, and that's nice. That's nice to know, right? I can just ArrayFormula proper and then put the whole range that I want to capitalize there. Now I have these. Now I can do Command C or copy, and then Shift Command V, and that's paste values. You could also right click, paste special values only. You could do that. But I want to show you how to do it automatically, how to do it as you type. So let's go up to extensions, app script. What we're going to do is create an onEdit function. We literally just type that in here. We put E here because it is an event. We don't want to type all of the word event. And we're going to use that E to figure out where we are on the sheet. So we're going to say const range equals e.range, const row equals e.range.get row. We also know what value we're doing, we're getting in that cell. So basically this onEdit is going to say, the moment I hit enter in a cell, that's going to be the value, and that's going to be that, hey, I edited something. So we need to know that value is equal to e.value. We also need to know, I think, the column. We're just going to use col for column e dot with a capital C with parentheses, and we're going to say if col is equal to 1, because let's say we only want to do it in the first column, and double ampersand row is greater than 1, meaning we don't want to do it in the header row. We just want to do it in the rows after. Now we're going to add curly brackets, and now we're going to do const cap is equal to whatever the value is, and we're going to get the character at 0, which is the actual first letter, uppercase. And we're going to combine that, basically that first letter with the value. And if we do slice 1, that means taking the second character and everything to the right of it. I know, this sounds crazy, right? But this is probably the hardest part, this line right here. Because now we're going to say range.setValue to capitalized. And we're done. So let's test this. Did it. Leah, there it goes. Fred, again. There's Fred again. Google Sheets, rocks. Ooh, it did both. Ooh, cool. There you go. You can auto-capitalize in Google Sheets with just this code.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have 2 options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.